Hello, Obia. Yasia Babim. It's another beautiful episode of your favorite show, Nsem Wo Krom. And I'm your beautiful host, Felicia Osei. Nsem Wo Krom. And stories, so we have PerfectMatchXtra. Someone new. Someone tiasie. What tiasie? Kala niya kala ba? What tiasie? Of course. And Davido. And what's them a womb? And what's when I person what you? You try home brand. I mean fast stories, no. My first story PerfectMatchXtra. You do finals just say you reimpo. Now when it's no Martin and a test. You say my test is on the mattress. My test on the mat. Omomo jay green blood. I wanna win it. It's so lovely. Now finals you do yet. Not just say Rosie ne drill or my crado. My test was why a crowd. Everybody was ready. Obia fans are eager to know who the winner was, and I counting my test as winners. Nah, it was so lovely. Almost had almost share, yeah, almost setting, almost chemistry. Also said these people are so in love. They are so in love. Congratulations to
the winner for PerfectMatchXtra Season 2 is Martin and Tessie!
Martin and Tessie and a year winners and Rosie and a draw a year first runner up. Samsona darling and then the boyfriend Jason and a year second runner up. Nah, over comment na sia almost for the first time on my reality shows. Winners when they deserving winners. I just said to say we got 3 BN, Tessie, Martin, everybody was rooting for them. And from the beginning of this live thing, you know, Tessie fans a massive. From time when you're booking hat from J. Chris, me akwana me dem na me see dey na ekosui and a boy eating and a mema kokko ni suban and a say and a Martin by to the rescue Superman. Whoo! Obe rescue the princess actually baby aye din and together with a nice chemistry they won and a winner in 50,000 Ghana cedis, second runner up in 20,000 Ghana cedis and a second runner up also on 10,000 Ghana cedis. Winners on Boko Abrochiri they fought hey na sa omodo we dey book modo Romeo and Juliet dey be pan obstacles gidi. But in the end no, love conquers everything. What you say now? Her last year winners Babylino ni Grace what their fans did for them no, this year no fans what are you doing for your winners? Green army. What are you doing? I mean, let's do something for now for the winners. No one they say let's do something for them. But congratulations to everybody. Hems, NJ Chris, we hope you are doing things nice there. More than our background, more there. Stay together. Let love lead. You. My second story, Lilwin. Yoko Ross. Me senya to the mama, the rain. Movie out yet today a country called Ghana no. And your nomination Nollywood Film Festival because I was Germany. What I say, and Uncle Foka say when you get to a package, our characters your mom play a role in the movie. No, you do person achieve. And na nyamia adman and saka. Inti, I think say obey to me the nomination as a training right. Because we premiere movie in one sense, I'm not even sure. So, but to me, I feel okay because you know your Ghana he named the SC. Inti, your man is on Shannon Hodin. No, yes, your man, congratulations. So soon cry on 5 way and Jenny because they offered your panel any in your piano. Until let's all together as Ghanaians, loving people, support a brother, an uncle, a friend. Nah, he has done well. Achievement we nyeke to akra. Why dear. And everybody who played a role in the movie also, so congratulations. Your mission and vision has been achieved. Well-recognized movies in 2024. Congratulations, my idea.
Nice one.
My third story, Davido. Next is Chioma and Davido. Nigerians. Davido, one of the biggest African artists out of Nigeria. and a Chioma and girlfriend on a dating for many years, obstacles in your dear. Just say at a point of Kana, yeah, sure, more relationship, the person going to jab boy because boy no one who met say. Senka ye mea, Ebian Camina Sabotene and Tina home. Beman and a son didn't say. Beman or Yadin out China no Asakoje, or Yadin China no Asakoye, and no who now soon or poor baby child, and now forgive me. Boy, cross or cottage and I'm not the Akraba, or say I'm going to feature somebody on the baby about. Just a boy, PAAA and again soon with him because Opio baby, he's bringing a new baby. The man have what now because she knows what she wants. She knows her need dear any brano. I would trouble tell a brand new that they be that. When the water, I'm going to Bernico. Just say, Russia, if you also move on more wedding, Nasi. Chioma bread. DJ, play me. I would trouble tell my brand me hold that they be that. Menguana meaning the me family, Jodo Veronica. She say, Chioma situation we say, how many of we the ladies now able to me accommodate such acts from a man? Obi to see scanning tear, she stayed because of the money. But here can who say, tell my Chioma share the video now when you see any say you. What I say, no, he wasn't this rich. Into what you mean at now, come and be sick and to say, no, be jai. Debbie. And their name name de Chivido. It didn't de. Answer na baby say, make sure your name is nice. What I say, Bashiru and a Yera, or you say Bayre, and your de. And I Yera back crying your badging at your bat. But Chivido is one solid name. If it's made developed by a brand, who knows? Congratulations, Davido and Chioma. Intino, you're friend to your home. Only Bema or Honest or your mass and cry. If I told, okay, now, Bemo be you know, told our henna. And you'll be a beer and a set to what to 2 months and about could be a no or better not, when I will soon to David. Is your chest worth it? Is it worth it? Let's be serious as Ghanaians. Okay. Congratulations, Davido and Chioma. Chivido 24.
Nice one.
My fourth story is Yasapon. Yasapon is one of the greatest musicians Ghana have right now. Has song. May have come who the bear has. Said yeah, Yasapon is one of the greatest musicians Ghana has. Nah. Ne hon sense mo ba. Or a living legend, or born bebree, or a gospel musician, and you a patent of qua, then you say, our dear. Then you move to you and I said, you're an to more, no more a debt. Then you make the name Nene. Oko for bars now when you take it, and then you went to my entrance. And Chebiana and Wasem Ecopium 1 10 now a year on in that 40 years, and I didn't want some a call ye. And what you say, Yasapon or suspect say, or ne backing vocalist, Nesha, wife, friend, more be your.
Yeah, it's good.
Emma. Yasapon Tiapo. One tiapo, meaning the copy and if you hospital bed no so a shana tied that could now sorry they made the mic as Shana no say, won't church him. Will be a yard sit in a church as him. She said, who be a yard. You are dragging this sick person in he's not feeling well. But I mean, then of course he when you're in a yard, dear. Who is saying Casimir could have been solved in the house. And I said it was right to come on in the public. And I also said, Brand also teach him. Oh, I know quite the abacasa, sanity on. Well, honestly speaking, I don't feel anything. What do you feel? More than one casa. See, me, I make life, but tell us what you think. Well, this is a 50-50 kind of issue. I feel say it could have been resolved in the house, but maybe I resolve and I resolve. I said, so kind of kukoma na nye ya na watching about bontene. Inti Yasapon kwa ne betumi achemu di asem yi airport. Now looking at his state, so for the man kasa, he wasn't even right. He's not mentally savvy, mentally nice. He's not physically looking healthy. Inti the course to be they shouldn't have dragged the man in the story. They shouldn't have dragged the man in the picture. So for now, meaning so Yasapon be sanity, but that time ne dey Yasapon to mean sanity because he's not well. It's awful. You didn't do the needful. And now, what you also think? Let's all be honest. Mistakes no woman or church say mo ye. And now her and also munyai Now they are sending what out public and I want to know if Felicia he wants to voice out no akasa because he's undergoing treatment. Na mo dragging is adia. Let's just say most money sebe ya sapond as a person and in here. Obi oyare you find him court. Mo na kujina court some man mic is on church.
Shay.
My last story I sorry them yaka ya support me the next year sorry them. Na Abundance Life of Assemblies of God. Abundance Life Assemblies of God. Ehun se nsem na omu si sofofoforo na sorry man so omu mpene e ma sofo na oteso no enkom afoforo ma mo nyi sofofoforo bia. It's either the old pastor or no pastor. And I sorry mani bia hye tuntum e de kojan bobo mo nsani omu ti say they are not allowing any new pastor into their church. Na nkofo se omo ntia se nyame na si sofo nye nipa. Na sofo ne dey ntino mo se sa no na new one so dey ntino no so be ofri no e ba ha no. What do the pastor have with the members? Am I so connected that all cry your moja? Ama yes, they don't need another pastor unless it's him. Aye butu pa ewo mantemo ho. Pastor na wo mo ntie di obi eka yesi sofo no sofo. Na sofo yesi by force ya sorry my ombetwa friend there. Osoro ba no aye say ya force so de wa hye omokon. Wo mu fi wo ka so mo sorry na o mada. Okay, say clap your hands and they are jumping. Okay, say bring your money and they are bringing people. Are you ready for this? I feel say come on settle bibi and we answer no more dey. So for na sha sorry man by force because ye na be preacher kire ye na see ye ntie. Dey na be ye. Woni nye nti. You should listen. I want me say nyame na share sofo. But them confirm na be preacher kire money they don't want you or they don't want you. There's nothing you can do about it. Omo be omo nya wo. But most so man a chance. Na improving the honchram. Or chram ade bo so mi mienu bo so mi ensa na money nye ne hostela. No much petition come my head and I said top council say you don't like the pastor as you said. Let him have his chance. Na improving the home. Esa na mo manasa e neighbors because your pastor and care for name ramo. May you sure said ye or tesu sisi na mana kono. Mo fiti pe ko ba na mo ba do no. Give this one to a chance. Now improving it. That's all I can say about it.
You.
Kindly share, comment, and like. Now we share swa. Share to a friend for a friend to share to a friend. Now your community. Odo me na me do na just say baby ewu. Till we meet again next week. I'm Felicia Osei, your favorite host. You be share biom. Munyina. Bye bye.